Hi guys, this is mozzarella cheese from Migros budget. It's 400 grams, and especially mozzarella that will be good and suitable for if you are going to cook pizza. It's for the topping of pizza. It's very nice, and this is a Swiss product. You can see the ingredients, but sorry, there is no English explanation of the ingredients. But yeah, you can see the nutrition information. Yeah, and yeah, this is you can find also the expiration date here, and this is I think uh, the production code. There's nothing back here, and better to storage this in your freezer so it will not be melt and still in good conditions. Hi guys, so this is just a quick review of this product, and this test is very good and also very cheap, so don't hesitate to buy it. It's good for your daily needs, and better place this on your freezer. This is a quick review of this cheese. I hope this will be useful for you. See you. Bye.